How's it going, guys? Binance responds to Shiba Inu community questions today. The Shiba Army at Euro_9096_9696 shared some information about the Shiba Army's recent achievements on the newly announced Shibarium test. For example, the number of wallets that engage on Shibarium PuppyNet went from 4,059,878 to 5,833,845 in the last 24 hours, an increase of about 2 million. During the same time period, the overall number of transactions went from 3,149,432 to 3,234,888. In this video, we'll talk about how Binance answered the Shiba Inu community's request for answers to Shib news today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the station to stay up to date on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Let's start right away with the movie. Rant, a well-known cryptocurrency expert, tweeted on Friday that Shib is getting everyone's attention. It wants to get a break. The analyst showed a snapshot of a chart that showed how many times since August of last year the famous meme token has finished a falling wedge pattern. Then there was a breakout, which, according to the expert Shiba Inu, is a reversal pattern that again shows that the coin will go up by a lot. CoinMarketCap says that the second biggest crypto Shib with a dog theme is being sold for $0.1128. Several data sources say that Shib is now more popular than Ethereum, even though Ethereum recently gained strength that pushed it past the $2,000 mark. This week, Ethereum finished the Chapel update, which lets buyers take their ETF out of the Beacon Chain deposit contract. On the other hand, many people started putting even more Ethereum into it after hearing about it on social media. Even though Ethereum is way ahead of Shiba Inu, according to data from Lunar Crush, the price of Shiba Inu stays in the same range, even though a big whale dumped over $6 million worth of Shib. According to data from Etherscan, the 29th largest Shiba Inu whale has sold 538 billion Shib worth $6,074,020 in 5 important deals in the last 12 days. The top Shiba Inu whale started their selling spree on April 2, when they sold a horrible 200 million Shib worth $2,258,000. In a huge deal on April 5, the whale sold another 100 billion Shib worth $1,129,000. The next step was the sale of 88 billion Shib worth $993,520 on April 7. Even though he had already sold a lot of money, the whale sold another 72 billion Shib worth $812,880. In her last deal on April 11, she sold an extra 78 billion Shib worth $880,620. Even though the whale is selling quickly, it still has a huge amount of money. 3,599,890,076,773. Shib is a wallet in its hands that is worth $40,642,758. Remember that a recent hacking incident at Bitrue led to the loss of digital assets worth nearly $22 million, including 172.55 billion Shib, which were worth $1.9 million. The exploiter has already sold 22.55 billion Shib, worth about $254,000, in 6 different transactions on a popular Singapore-based platform, as reported by the Crypto Fundamental. The most recent trade happened today at 2:34 UTC, when 2 billion Shib were sold. Even though there have been bad sell-offs lately, the price of Shiba Inu has gone up. The price of Shib has gone up 6.6% in the last 14 days and 2.9% in the last week, according to figures from CoinGecko. In the cryptocurrency business, there are many examples of early investors who made huge returns on their money. One of these stories is about a man who got one of the first 100 Shiba Inus and sold it for $100 million during the bull run. The person who made $100 million from Shiba Inu Shib was one of the first people to buy meme coins when they were just starting out. He held on to his stake as the price of the coin went up. After a long wait from the Shiba team, the Shibarium, he finally sold his shares during the bull run in 2021. A few days ago, public testnet finally went live, which made him a lot of money. The people were thrilled. Shiba and Bone, its symbols, made me feel so excited. On the other hand, the Shiba and Bone tokens seem to have reacted to a problem in the Shibarium heaven on March 16. A well-known member of the Shiba Inu community voiced worries about many problems in the Shibarium Layer 2 public testnet, which caused a firestorm on the project's main Discord page. A member of the community who was worried said that Shibarium change was already being used by another blockchain. He went on to say that the Shibarium testnet seemed to have taken the Genesis file from the testnet and renamed itself Shibarium, but had forgotten to change the chain ID. The post got a lot of notice, which made Satoshi Kusama, the main developer of Shiba Inu, respond. Satoshis commented too much to ease the growing worry because it didn't address the real problem. Because of this, the worth of Shib and Bone tokens has gone down over the last 24 hours until March 15th. The Shiba Inu was getting better and better. By the time the market closed on March 15, Shib had lost 7.45% of its value. The price had gone down by more than 1%. As of this writing, the Relative Strength Index RSI was above 40 because of the big price change, but it is now below 40 because of the more than 7% drop. Lastly, the RSI showed that it was still going down, which it had been doing for a while. Bones' daily time frame chart showed that, as usual, it had been hit harder than usual. As of this writing, the price had dropped by more than 13% to about $1.20 as of the close of the market on March 15th. It had gone down by 6.67%, making its loss in the past 24 hours more than 11%. CoinMarketCap says that the RSI line also went down and was in the oversold area at the time of publishing. In the last 24 hours, the value of Bone on the market has dropped by more than 17%, while the amount has gone up by more than 200%. Shiba Inu prices are going down, but there is no rising feud. According to data from Sentiment, the amount of money on exchanges has stayed the same, which means there hasn't been a big inflow of money at the time of writing. In the next few days, the supply exchange measure was about 132.5 trillion. Satoshi Kusama might need to explain what's going on with testnet. Its lack could hurt a project that hasn't fully started yet, as well as the tokens that go with it. Shiba Inu responds to community worries about Shibarium. This article was originally published on Bitcoin World. Satoshi Kusama has talked about how the price of Shib is supported by new technology and utility integration, even though he keeps getting burned. He said that the Shiba Inu group hasn't done enough burns to support the price of the asset with burns alone. Kusama said these things recently in response to concerns raised by a member of the community and the Shibarium Telegram group. The person was worried that the prices of Shiba Inus were staying the same even though their burn rate had recently gone up. In reaction, Kusama said that the price of Shiba Inus isn't always fixed or stable, since the asset's recent slide growth is